Tell her. Who's gonna clock you? Let's get to it. For my dandruff dry scalp girlies, the thirsty scalp girls, this one right here, she don't play. As an avid thirsty scalp girly, she the truth. And now we double cleanse. This is also the time when I would use my scalp brush. You want to make sure that the one you choose is not like super stiff, like the end parts are silicone and they're kind of like bendy. Because if you get like a really stiff one, it can actually cause irritation on your scalp. You know, you cannot forget the conditioner, girl. You done shampoo twice, you done stripped away all your oils and that extra dirt and snowflakes. Just going in with my Felicia Leatherwood brush. That's how you get the curls popping. You detangle to get the curls popping. Also, thumbs up if you like the nails. Okay, so video coming out. The deep conditioner that I'm going to be using is just what I have on hand, which is the Macadamia Deep Repair Mask. It smells like candy, y'all. I love this deep conditioner because it just smells so delicious. But it's also really moisturizing. Okay, so this is what the hair is looking like after applying my deep conditioner. And I'm just going to do deep conditioning cap that I put in the microwave. It's got flax seeds in it and stuff. And probably watch a movie, I'm not gonna lie, you guys. I just kinda like to let the conditioner, my deep conditioner, sit on there and really take its time soaking in. So some days I might do it for like an hour, other days I might do it for like 30 minutes, depending on if I'm doing my hair before I need to like go out and run errands or be somewhere. All right, you guys, and we're back. And this is how the curls are looking after our deep condition. Ooh. Juicy, juicy. All right, that's all, folks.